In this tutorial, I will show you 2 different ways to take burst of photos on iPhone camera app. Let's jump into video. First, using the volume up button. Press and hold on the volume button when you are in camera photos mode. To use this volume up button, ensure that settings is enabled from the camera settings. Launch the settings app on your iPhone, scroll to the camera, and again scroll to use volume up for burst. Keep enabling the toggle, move back to the camera app, and use the volume button to take burst photos. Just press and hold on to it. To capture a burst of photos using the shutter button, touch and swipe to the left on the camera shutter button. Don't hold it and swipe the finger, and to capture a burst of pictures like this. Alternate method 2. We can take burst of photos with timer. Open the camera app on your iPhone. Tap on the upper arrow icon to see the camera settings. Swipe and find the timer icon. Tap on it and set 3 seconds. Now, press the shutter button on the iPhone to capture a burst of photos. For your convenience, you can select 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Now, open the burst photo and tap the burst label at the top left corner. Find the clean shot and select it from this radio button. Now, tap on Done to keep only 2 favorites, or delete the rest of the photos. If you find something helpful and fix it, don't hesitate to share it with everyone. Give a thumbs up for support, and comment below with any questions.